didn't go off this morning. Thought I set it for 6:40 and it is now 7:40. So I tried to get up early like I did yesterday, and that was not successful, which kind of sucks. But I'm gonna have some breakfast. Mike has a meeting. That's my toast going off. Mike has a meeting at 10, so when he has his meeting, I'm gonna go to the gym and have some toast now. And then we're gonna walk the dog, and then I'm going to get to work on the computer doing some editing and some other stuff. And that is gonna be the bulk of my day today.
She doesn't want to come in. What are you doing? Come see your mom. Hi, Splish.
So I'm at the gym now. I'm just gonna do a quick upper body workout. I just want to get in and out today. I have a lot to do and my morning is already kind of falling behind. I got stuck at Staples, printer issues, things not working, so I'm kind of in a rush. So I'm really just gonna do something short, quick, sweet. Probably not gonna film it because I just want to get it going, and then I'll be at home working and I'll see you there. Okay, so this is like my 4th day in a row eating this lunch, but I'm okay with it because it's so friggin' tasty. Obviously, I made it. And I'm watching a YouTube video on how to vlog better so that I can just keep this up. So I'm making a honey glazed salmon with wild rice and roasted beets tonight. Nice little sexy Friday night dinner while I'm dressed like an absolute bum, but that's okay. So I'm gonna do the salmon in the cast iron, and then I'm gonna do the beets in the oven, and we're gonna see how this turns out tonight. Time. We're gonna watch. What are we watching, babe?
Skyscrapers.
Skyscrapers. You ready to eat? Okay. How is it?
Excellent.
There's never been
Good.
a tougher skyscraper.
So we're gonna go to bed now. We're gonna go upstairs.
We'll
see you in the morning.
We seen you drinking from the puddle like crazy.
Yeah, you. Okay, so we'll see you tomorrow morning.
I did good. Like, I mean,
Propane.
He's got a bunch of propane. Okay, he's all tangled up in a hose, and he's got like 3 or 4 cigarettes in his mouth. And he's drunk as shit. And he's going propane, propane.